may join a cozy corner nestled under the shade of Beatley or down gazebo. Opt for a comfortable weather with side-turned cushions and throw polius as earthy tones create an inviting atmosphere. And no crafted plastic wooden furniture legend wrought iron piece for a touch of sophistication enhanced the ambience with a soft outdoor lighting such as swing lights and lanterns for a warm and enhancing glow during evening. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98XM. So if you new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Integrate nature into a gazebo seating area surrounding it with lush greenery, hang potted plants or installed trellis with climbing vines and add a touch of natural elegance. Consider a mix of fragrant flowers and aromatic herbs to enhance the multiple scenes to add elevate your overall sensory experience. Take your garden to the next level with a delightful backyard series. Whether it's classic wooden swings or modern farm oak, here are the options are endless. Choose a style that complements your garden theme and provides a comfortable spot for unwinding. A swing with only adds a playful element but also serve as a focal point, enhancing the overall aesthetics to your backyard. So if you like this idea, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and also family members. Achieve visually cohesion by selecting a color palette harmonious with a natural surrounding earthy tones like green, bronze and muddied blue and go out over the I'm trusted with the landscape line. A wide coordinate of the belongs to the visual and voice outdoor.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh